Now you have an image. Maybe you want to portray as if you're pregnant in a picture, or something as protruded in a picture. Now you're going to use something called the Liquify tool in PhotoScape X. So I'm going to show you that in the next few minutes. So what you do, just come to where your picture is. You just come to downloads. I'll use this picture here as my example. I'll just put it there. The next thing you're going to do, you will come here under tools. So you click tools here, then you look for something called Liquify. Here it is, something like a liquid. Then you just click it, then it will give you these options here. Now you can do a lot with these options here. For example, if I do this to make this lady as if she's pregnant or something like that, just like that. Maybe let me just reverse it like that. I want us to try all these aspects. Like this one here, what can it do? Either it can wrap back. For example, if I do this, maybe let's try, it can return back. This one, blot. Let's see what it can do to make something. As you can see that some parts get inside like that. Let's just revert back. What about this one? This one is very interesting. Now this one, if you want flat tummy now, maybe you want to show people you have a flat tummy, you can use that one. Let me just revert. Then you have this one here, spiral. I like this one especially for making something like a background, something like that. Maybe you want you see something. Let me just revert that and revert again this one. Yeah, you can use this. Also this one here, you can use it to make your backgrounds. But also remember, your brush you have to choose the brush size, you see here, like that. So let's just make this lady pregnant. I'll just come here again, maybe do that, control it a little bit, like that, not that much, and then control the brush again, like that, maybe, yeah, like that. You can make the lady pregnant. Then I just apply, save, then save as. Yeah, now it will take us where we want us to save the picture. Sorry. Then we'll go to pictures here, then save. Now if I go to pictures, here it is. Now this is how it will be. She's become pregnant. Now that's how to liquify and make things protrude in pictures using PhotoScape Pro. See you in the next video.